What's up, party people? Android Stud here, and I have the Pixel 3a XL. This is the 4K video, 30 frames per second. That's right, 30 FPS with the 4K or the 4K or whatever you want to call it. Let me know how you guys like this video. It should be very crispy. Let's check out that focus. Looking pretty good. Look at that. There we go. Pretty sweet. I'm gonna check out the lake over here. Do a little zoom in on the ball. There you go. The zoom is really tight on this camera, this Pixel 3a XL. I noticed that on the 1080p 60 frames per second. Real tight when it comes to the zoom. Let's zoom in again. There you go. Got some birds over there making some noises. You guys let me know how the audio is, how the zoom, how it looks. It's a beautiful day here in South Florida. I did a video on the 1080p 60 frames per second. Came out pretty good. They actually have a manual setting for it, unlike their flagship, the Pixel 3 XL doesn't exactly have a manual setting for their 60 frames per second for whatever reason. It's really dumb, but it is what it is. Let's go check out the ducks. Bright day. That looks nice. Yeah, let's go up on these boys, see what they're doing. They're hanging out. But this is the 4K, man. Stabilization, let me know how you guys like it. Let me know if it's nice and smooth. I'm gonna walk with it a little bit. You could hear the flip-flops in the back. Shout out to the flips and the flops. But that's gonna do it, man. This is the 4K video on the Pixel 3a XL, the mics, everything on here. I wanted to give you guys a little test of the 4K video, 30 frames per second. Hopefully they add the 4K 60 frame per second, maybe in the future. I don't know. That little pole there, that's for the sprinklers. One of the subscribers asked what it was in the last video, but that holds up the sprinklers so that you can water your yard. Dog's going crazy. I'm going to get out of here. Follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and Android Stud. Leave a comment down below. Subscribe to the channel. Much love to everybody. Peace.